The materials you'll need today will be a piece of paper and something to draw with. Step 1, draw a dot in the middle of your paper. Step 2, draw 3 converging lines across your paper. And remember, converging means they all meet at one point, so all of your lines are going to pass through that dot in the middle. And be sure to draw your lines from one end of the paper all the way to the other end of the paper. Now we're going to alternate drawing convex and concave lines. First, we're going to draw our convex lines, and it's going to get a little confusing, so I'm going to put a dot in every other triangle. Those are going to be for our convex lines. So to start with a convex line, it's going to curve out like a smiley face line. And make sure you give yourself enough space in between the lines. After you have finished drawing lines on the first triangle, you're going to move to the second triangle. And remember, we're only drawing convex lines on the triangles that have the dot. When you have finished, now we're going to go to the other triangles. Those are the alternating ones, the ones that don't have a dot. And when you draw your lines, you want to match them up with the lines that are on the other 2 triangles. So we are drawing concave lines. They curve in like a rainbow line. And I'm going to go slow, and I always move my finger over so I can match up the line on both sides. Remember, we're drawing concave. They curve in like a rainbow. And you're going to do that for the rest of the triangle. When you have finished with one triangle, move to the other 2 that don't have any lines in them. After you have finished drawing your lines in all of the triangles, now it's time to pick your 2 colors to use for your op art. You can choose any 2 colors you want, but if you want to choose colors that really stand out and pop out, you can use complementary colors, which are colors that are opposite each other on the color wheel. I'm going to choose purple and yellow for my complementary colors. First, I only need to use one color, and that's going to be the purple. I'm going to use the purple first. I'm going to only color the triangles that have the dot in them. So first, you're just going to start on one section and just put down your color. And whenever you're coloring, you want to make sure you keep it the same. So I'm starting with a white space first, and then I'm going to do purple, and then white again, and then purple again. So just make sure you keep it the same. Now I'm going to pick my second color, which is the yellow. And we're going to alternate the colors. We're going to color in the 3 triangles that don't have the dot in them. And you see the purple one, I started with the white first and then purple. For the yellow, I'm going to start with the yellow first and then the white. Color in the yellow first and leave a white space. Then move to the next section and use yellow for the next one. And you're going to keep doing this until you finish all 3 triangles. After you have finished, take a step back and look at your op art. It should start to play tricks with your eyes and look like the triangles are moving in and out.